C5 time here at Unique Specialty Classics. Last year, the C5 actually, 2004 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Not gonna see one like this every day either. In 04, only a little over a 1900 of the black. Corvette's made in a convertible, and this particular combination, rich looking. Got the light oak interior, light oak top. And we'll check that out here at the end of the video, let you take a look at that. It's in nice shape. Probably because this car only has a little over 26,000 miles on it. And that is confirmed by a Carfax. And of course, this is going to have your digital odometer in it. And you can tell by the condition of this car, not a lot of miles on it. Take a look at the front fascia. Of course, it's black. You're going to have maybe a few little spots where they've touched up here and there, but overall you can see the reflection coming off the ceiling. Paint shows nice on this one. Riding on the polished wheels, Goodyear radials. It's set up and ready to go. Turnkey car. Check out the still pictures. Look at the underside. Also very clean interior, engine bay. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. That tried and true LS1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Great engine paired with a automatic with overdrive transmission in this one. Center console shift, of course, light oak leather, electronic dual climate control, heads-up display. It's a nicely equipped car. Has a little different exhaust on it. This one's got a slight bark to it. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. First of all, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Over along the wall there, I took out of the trunk a car cover. I'll be including that with the purchase of this vehicle. It'll be in the trunk, so it will come with a car cover. Driver's information center in this car. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see it's pretty free of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, it's black. I mean, you are going to find a few imperfections in it, but overall, shows very nice. We have the polished inlay on the rear bumper, Corvette inlay. Of course, these are a manual top, very simple to operate. Takes all of what, 20 seconds maybe to get it up and down. One person can do it. Piece of cake. Of course, memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. There's one little blemish on the seat right there, just a little bit of transfer. Other than that, a very nice shape as far as the interior goes also. Go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Check out the exact miles also. So there's your exact miles. We got 26,764. You can hear that exhaust a little. Of course, the heads-up display, you can see that's working. Again, dual electronic climate control here, AM, FM, CD player. We do have the active handling button right on the center console. And the rest of the dash, also in nice shape. Really no surprises on this one. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nice deep throaty little growl out of that 5.7. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pop this hood. So I'm going to pause it a second. Let me pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay. There you go. Hood pop. Engine bay, what you'd expect in a 26,000 mile car. Very clean. I would guess there's 100 pictures of this car online, probably more, top to bottom, inside and out. Slip around to the other side so you can see it. Yeah, look at the reflection coming off that hood. And those are not original tires, FYI, folks. Those have been replaced. There you go. All right, there's the car, the engine. I'm going to shut things up here a second. Let's pop the top up, and we'll go ahead and let you check that out. So let me pause it one more time. We'll button this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the top up. Of course, C5 manual top takes all of about 20 seconds to put up with one person. Very simple. Light oak cloth, rear glass window, rear defogger. Top's in nice shape. Don't see any rips, tears, holes. Really not discolored either, like you'll see these once in a while. Say that is in pretty nice shape, and you'll be able to check it out in the still pictures too. Got plenty of still pictures with it up and close-ups there, so feel free to check that out. 2004 Chevrolet Corvette, low mile, nice looking convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, take you to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.